A utility knife needs to be reliable, so your best choice is to use the models from Wurth. Through a pointed cutting angle and high-quality steel, the blades are as sharp as a scalpel. This means that you can cut many different materials without any trouble. The blade slips through quickly and smoothly. With its double component grip, the knife lies comfortably in your hand. It's a safe bet that nothing can go wrong when you use Wurth's safety knife. Through a spring mechanism, the blade is retracted completely after each use. Changing the blades requires no additional tools. Fitting replacement blades are of course available from Wurth for all utility knives. Sharp is simply speedier. For this reason, place your bet on Wurth's double component utility knives, the masters of their trade.